Hi friends, welcome back to Diane's Paradise. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'll show you how to make egg curry with coconut milk. Yesterday I posted a video on how to make coconut milk at home. If you haven't seen that video, please find the link in the description box below. So without further delay, let's quickly check out the recipe of egg curry. Into a hot pan, add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can add any other oil of your choice as well. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Just wait till it cracks. Then add few curry leaves. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and ginger. Also 2 sliced green chillies. Saute this for about 30 seconds. Now add about 3 large thin sliced onions to it. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt. Now saute the mix till the onions become soft. Once the onions are soft and slightly change the color, start adding the spices to it. Start with half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of chicken masala, and give everything a quick mix. Now add about quarter teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. It might look like a lot of spice and masala at the moment, but don't worry, once we add the coconut milk to this, the spices and the flavors will be balanced. Now add about 2 large tomatoes. Saute this for about 30 seconds. Then cover and cook this for about 5 minutes till the tomatoes become soft. The tomatoes are cooked perfectly. Now it's time to add the coconut milk to this one. Add the milk according to the consistency of the gravy you want. I am making appam to have with this egg curry, so that's why I am not looking for a very thin gravy. About 3/4 cup of milk I have added to this. While adding the milk, keep the flame low. Give everything a quick mix. Then add a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Now to this, add the boiled eggs. I have given slits to the outer skin of the eggs so that the masala will get absorbed into them. Give a quick mix and cover the eggs completely with the masala. Then we have to cover and cook this for about 2 to 5 minutes. Before that, add a handful of coriander leaves. Look at that. It's absolutely ready within no time. For now, I'm just covering it, keeping it aside till I'm preparing the appams. This curry not only go well with appams but also with chapatis, puris, dosas, also with rice. If you are preparing this one for the rice, then you'll have to make a slightly thin gravy. For that, add about 1 to 1.5 cups of coconut milk. Hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Do try this and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, then show some love and subscribe to my channel for more such easy recipes. So till we meet next with another exciting video, stay healthy and be happy.